Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, the market had an inevitable pullback this afternoon. I say inevitable because, well, what goes up must come down, right? No stock can go up forever. But there were a few causalities to why that happened, and I want to take a minute to talk about them. Now, before the market even opened, there was the report that came out that there are some ships being attacked in the Red Sea, which is causing shipping liners to reroute and take really the long way, go all the way around Africa instead of taking the shortcut through the Red Sea there. And that's going to add cost to shipping, which can be inflationary. Now, the market kind of seemed to shake that off. Didn't really seem like that big of a deal. But then this afternoon, the Fed's Harker came out with some, with a little bit of a reality check. And it's really hard to pick up exactly what the Fed is saying because there's been a lot of reality check. But then after the last announcement, Powell was very, very dovish. So the market did start selling off a little bit then, but then it seems to me that the real catalyst here was a report that came out. NBC reported this earlier, and I think a lot of market participants didn't really catch it until later. Some did, and that's where we got the sell-off early, as you can see here on the 1-minute chart. But then it really came in after it hit the tape more widely that President Xi of China, warned Biden during summit that Beijing will reunify Taiwan with China, which is, something that can spook the market or just spook anybody who's paying attention and listening to that. Potentially a really, really big deal there and, potentially a war type situation. And markets generally don't like war type situations. I think especially going in with China, the second biggest superpower, really, really worried markets a little bit. And the market really fell out of bed as the day went on, and including and especially in the last 5 minutes or so of the day. So that's what happened. We're going to watch that. The VIX popped up a bit. I mean, it's still not really in nosebleed territory by any stretch of the imagination. It's at 1364 on the close, which is more elevated than it was, but not necessarily anything to be worried about so far. Will this put the damper on our Santa Claus rally? We'll see. That would be coming up in just a few days, and we got our eye on it. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.